Alright, I'm back. Just got myself a 3S RC LiPo. And of course, I don't remember which wire it was again, so we're just going to figure this out this way. It'll be fine. No. Not that one. Alright, when you guys know it. As soon as I hit that button, the switch to turn on that light, the battery in the GoPro. 4th of July started early. You got a light. Move you guys up here, try not to make you sick. Let's check out the other ones. Nice. Those things are gonna be so bright at night. All right. So stoked about that. I just wanted to see this thing light up at night so bad. Those are gonna be perfect. All right, so unhook this battery and get these other ones wired up.
Why is there 2 different cords coming out of those 2, but then on all the other ones, there's only 1? Or like, yeah.
There's two, and the back ones don't have any other ones connected to them.
No, like these have 2, that has 1, and that has 2.
The center is going to be on its own.
Oh, and then what about these?
Those are with these ones. So these 3 in a row are all together. So that connects this one to that one to that one. And then that one connects this side to that one and that one and that one.
But, okay.
So this has a wire come up to the switch. And then one wire goes this way to here, and then these 2 will tie together, and then that'll go to that one.
Oh.
And then there's a wire that comes from this to here.
I got it.
And then it goes down.
Okay, I got it. I was wondering why you had 2 out here and 2 out here, but now that you said that it connects, I get it.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
I see you. I see
Yeah,
you,
so
little wiggle butt.
this will be on its own. So this will be like a night light, or if we're not in here or something.
Yeah.
That'll be, you know, we want to relax and we're watching, you know, the TV or something. We don't want to have the sick blinding lights on. I can show you what it looks like, though.
Bailey's so cute. Yeah.
And these are those cool little connectors I was talking about. So if we ever have to replace one of these, we just
do it.
plug it in and
What do you think of my paint job?
it looks good.
Do you like it?
Good job.
What happened here?
Did it get solder on it?
Yeah.
Ah, melted right into the wall.
No. Just take a little bit of paint and paint over it, I guess.
Yes, it's really not coming off of there.
Damn it.
Looks good. I can't say how much I like these enough, guys. I mean, that's so nice. That is just gonna be so nice for maintenance. And hopefully we never have to do it, but if we do, we don't have to worry about it. Alright. This is gonna be a little trickier now that I move my table. Maybe this will probably reach. Yeah. Ah, there we go. Oh yeah, it's gonna. So we still have what? 4 more to put in. This thing is gonna be so bright. Yeah, that makes even a big difference in the camera. Nice. All right, what do we say? Guess let's just get this. Yeah, let's just do this one. These doubles are kind of a pain to solder together, but get it. I think I generally don't do it this way for multiples because I feel like it makes it a little fatter, but I think we're just going to do it the same way I did the singles and then bend the small wire over. It's just so much easier to solder them this way. Some things, depending on how much space I have, I really don't like doing that, but I think we'll be fine for this. Wire is getting in my way. I want to melt it. Doing is making sure that wire is hot all the way across. You're not just putting solder around it, it's actually sucking it into the wire. We'll just snip all that excess off. And pull back that wire. Bend it a little bit more with the pliers here. Just like that. Shut our heat shrink over. I'm good to go. Alright, let's see what that looks like, and then I think I'm going to finish the other lights up off camera. Like I said, I have to get all those ends on there anyway. And yeah. Already looking a whole heck of a lot brighter though. Let's turn on that center. Yeah, we're gonna have plenty of light. Plenty. So. Alright guys, I think this is it for now. Maybe I will, after dinner or something, come back with a night shot. to see what these all look like if I finish the rest of them tonight. If not, we will pick this up tomorrow and then go from there. Thanks for watching. All right, welcome back. So here's all the lights. These are probably way over bright. Okay. So this is all on. This is with just the center. Like perfect amount of light in my opinion for just chilling out, relaxing, or like I said, a leave on all the time light. That's all on. Not too much different without that center one on, but a little bit. See, it lights the area pretty good. Turn that center back on. A little change, but not too much. Let's give you a spin around again one more time. All right, guys. I think that's gonna be it for most of the wiring for now. Obviously, the rest of the cabinet's gonna have to be put in before I can put the fuse box in and all that. So right now I am currently just running it off a little modded HP power supply. It's probably all I'm gonna run it off for a while. Probably will put that in tonight, even though it won't really be useful until we get the table that's gonna flip out right here. So I think that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Again, really appreciate you watching and hanging out with us. Until next time.